Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on PC. Playing your favorite mobile games on a larger screen can significantly enhance your experience. Emulators are software applications that create a virtual Android environment directly on your computer, allowing you to install and run mobile apps just as you would on a smartphone or tablet. This opens up a world of possibilities for games like Clash Royale, offering improved controls and a more immersive view of the arena. Choosing the right emulator is your first step. Popular choices like BlueStacks, Nox Player, or LD Player offer robust performance and user-friendly interfaces. Visit the official website of your chosen emulator to download the installer file. Always ensure you are downloading from a trusted source to avoid any security risks. The installation process is typically straightforward, guiding you through a few simple steps to get everything set up on your computer. Once your emulator is installed, launch it and complete the initial setup, which usually involves signing in with your Google account. This step is crucial as it grants you access to the Google Play Store. Navigate to the Play Store within the emulator, search for Clash Royale, and then proceed with the installation. The process is identical to installing an app on your Android device, taking only a few moments to complete. With Clash Royale installed, take a moment to optimize your emulator settings. You can often adjust performance parameters, such as CPU cores and RAM allocation, to ensure smooth gameplay. Crucially, configure your keyboard and mouse controls for maximum precision during battles. Many emulators offer intuitive mapping tools, allowing you to assign specific actions to keys. This setup provides a significant advantage, offering a more comfortable and controlled gaming experience on your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.